Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making some delicious fish cakes. But first, before we do that, we have to go get the fish by the grocery store. So let's go. I hope you enjoy.
I think I might have a nice flounder on here. Did I say I had a flounder?
You're the man. You called it.
Yeah.
You said he was sitting there.
I'm telling you. There we go. Yeah, I was using live shrimp. Bucket right here.
As you guys can see here, my dad caught a flounder which we're going to use for the fish cake recipe. We're also going to be using the one on the left which my brother caught because we love plenty of fish cakes. We're gonna let the fish steam for 15 minutes. Here we have 3 green mangoes and we're going to prepare it to make our chutney. First we're adding some water to our pot and adding the mangoes, turmeric, hot peppers, garlic, SHADO BENI, some sugar, and salt. Now we're gonna stir this and let it steam for 45 minutes. Now we're going to boil our potatoes for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then we're going to strain them and mash them up. Now we're going to be adding all of our ingredients: potatoes, fish, cayenne pepper, paprika pepper, black pepper, chili pepper, egg, GEERAH, salt, seafood salt, breadcrumbs, garlic, scallions, parsley, and onions. Here we're mashing up all of the potatoes together until it makes a soft texture just like mashed potatoes. Then we're going to mix up all of our ingredients together. Keep mixing very well. And now we're going to form them into balls, but you can form it in any shape you want, but we're doing a football shape right now. Here we're making the flour that we're going to use to coat the fish when we fry them. This has flour, paprika, turmeric, and black pepper. And now we're going to mix this with the fish and coat them, as you can see here. Now we're using olive oil to fry them, but you can use any oil. Now we're going to let them fry for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Now let's take a look at the mango and see how it's doing. Now let's flip them over and let them cook for 2 to 3 minutes again. Our mango looks like it's done now, so we're going to turn it off. We're going to put these on a paper towel to let the excess oil drain out. Here's the mango chutney, or some people call it mango sour, with the C. And here are those yummy fish cakes, which I'm gonna eat all of. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. And if you did, don't forget to leave a like. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Please check out our other videos.